most helpful tools to make sure you are on track with your degree and on the correct path to graduation is your degree audit. You can find your degree audit by going to the Hofstra portal at myhofstra.edu, logging in with your Hofstra ID number and password, and scrolling down to the Student Success Center. Then you click on the Degree Works tile. You should check your degree audit often and consult with both your advising dean in the Center for University Advising and faculty advisor. Your degree audit automatically populates with the requirements for your degree. At the top of your degree audit, you'll find your specific student information. Your advisors listed here are part of your success team. These are student services professionals who are assigned to you to ensure your success. This list includes your Center for University Advising dean. If you click on an advisor name, their email will pop up so you can easily message them. The next section of your degree audit lists the total number of credits required for your degree. The number will vary depending on your degree. Earned credits means you have successfully completed them. Credits applied are credits that have been earned as well as credits that are in progress. If you have transfer credits like AP, CLEP, and International Baccalaureate credits that were submitted to university admissions, they will populate throughout the degree audit if they satisfy any requirements. A class currently in progress or one you have registered for in a future semester will be highlighted in blue. It will also have an IP next to it and a little squiggly line by the title. Completed courses will be highlighted in green. Be sure to check this degree audit after registration or when making any changes to your schedule to make sure the specific requirements you need for your degree are fulfilled. All Hofstra students need to earn credit for Writing Composition 1 and 2. Writing intensive courses may also be a requirement for your degree. The degree audit will let you know which requirements you'll need to satisfy depending on your major. All students must also pass a writing proficiency exam prior to graduation. Don't worry, there's opportunities to retake this exam if you don't pass the first time. All Hofstra students are also required to complete a certain amount of distribution or general education requirements. They are labeled on the degree audit with an associated abbreviation in parentheses. This is how you can also look up distribution classes when searching for classes. First-year connection clusters and seminars are a great way to fulfill distribution requirements. The department coursework category lists any courses that you have either completed or enrolled in that count towards your major. There are specific GPA requirements for some degrees. The coursework not applied to specific degree requirements category will show courses that may not count towards your specific major or minor, but do count towards the total number of credits required for graduation. These credits can be used for concentrations or prerequisites for graduate programs. Please note, your foreign language requirement classes will appear here until your highest level is completed. Then it will populate above in the foreign language requirement category. The In Progress section shows all courses you are registered for, whether currently or in a future semester. The What If feature allows you to view how certain courses will fit in with new degrees, majors, minors, or concentrations. Please note, this is only a planning tool. To change your major, minor, or concentration, you'll need to log into the Hofstra portal, select Student Services, and select Change of Study Request. The Look Ahead feature can show you how a specific course will fit in with your degree. The degree audit is a great tool to check every semester to keep track of your degree requirements. If you have any questions regarding your degree audit, please reach out to your Center for University Advising dean.